Matthew Haviland here at 801 East Brigantine here in Brigantine Beach, New Jersey. Here to show you this incredible house. We're just across the street from the beach. We've got 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and incredible beach views from the multiple decks here in this house. I invite you to join me here for the tour. So here's a look at the basement, lower level of the home. You have a staircase going upstairs. You do have an elevator here, which is a great feature. Elevator going up. And this is really a garage level here, but it's all finished off, as you can see. You have insulated garage doors here, space for 2-car garage, storage all throughout this area, tile floor. Really nice setup down here. All the mechanicals are elevated in these closet areas. And then back here, there's additional 2-car garage from the outside, but they have actually finished off these rooms. And you have a little kitchen area down here. You also have a full bathroom down here as well. Full bathroom and a shower, little stand-up shower. Let me show you the rooms down here. And these are right under the garage portion of the house. So plenty of parking in this home as well. So on the second level here, I actually have 4 bedrooms. I'll show you the mains, like a owner suite here. Room for a large bed with this bay window with a door. Front deck right out here, and these incredible beach views right here on Brigantine Beach. I'll show you a better view once we get up a little bit higher. But great spot here. And then you have a private full bath right here. Tub and shower combination. Right across from the beach. Beautiful location. Tile floor. Vanity there. Another bedroom right here at the front of the house. And this one kind of set up as a little sitting area. You have a gas fireplace here. Again, a door going right out to the incredible ocean view. In the hallway here we have laundry facilities. You got your washer and dryer right here, right in the hallway, right by the bedrooms. It's also another full bathroom here on this level, and this one is a huge one. You have a huge jetted jacuzzi tub, dual vanities, really neat pedestal sink, tile all the way up to the ceiling. Beautiful tile work in here, recessed lighting. We have a shower here in the corner. Really nice touch. In the back we have 2 more bedrooms. This bedroom also has a private balcony, which is really cool, going off to the side of the house. And the other bedroom on this side, similar size bedroom here. 4 bedrooms on this level. Now here we are on the 3rd floor, and this is a reverse layout. So that means all the living area is up here on the 3rd floor. So you can take advantage of the incredible ocean views in this property. So let's take a look here. And here's a look at the kitchen area. You have a double oven here, or oven microwave, wall combination here, gas stove, beautiful cabinetry here. Beautiful cabinet, granite countertops. You have the sink here in the corner. Glass shelving there, refrigerator. You have a large center island. And this is really the selling point of this house, is the amazing view. So from your living room area here, another fireplace, you have cathedral ceiling. This would be the dining area. I'll get out on that deck and show you the view in a moment here. And here's another look at the kitchen. And then going back to the back of the house, you have another large family room. If you want to call this the family room or dining area. Plenty of space here. They've got this set up like the theater, movie theater area. Another deck, smaller deck off the side of the house. Of course, you do want to have a half bathroom up here on this level, so there is a half bathroom here. Really neat sink here. One more thing to mention here, we do have a pantry on this level, right here off the kitchen. So the big selling feature of this house is the incredible ocean views here at Brigantine Beach. So I'm going to take you out, show you around the deck area, take a look at some of the views you get here from the ocean. On the upper deck here, incredible views here. Brigantine Beach. Great views from all the decks here. You have multiple decks on this house. In the distance, far distance there, Atlantic City. So here is a look at the view from the 3rd floor deck. And again, just incredible views here. We are right across the street from the beach. So amazing views, great house here in Brigantine Beach, New Jersey. So thanks for watching this tour of the home here for sale, 801 Brigantine in Brigantine, New Jersey. Amazing home here on the beach. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you like this content, and please subscribe for more updates. I do video tours every week, so I invite you to join me for more tours of homes here in South Jersey. Any questions you have on this property, I'm going to have all the link in the video description. The links will be there, information, all the details for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.